Welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Review Zone. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Suzuki Wagon-r. This iconic compact car has been revamped for the new year, and we're here to break down everything you need to know about it. The 2025 Suzuki Wagon-r boasts a fresh, modern look while retaining the charm that has made it a favorite for years. It features a more angular front grille and sleeker headlights, giving it a more contemporary appearance. The new model also has updated bumpers and a more aerodynamic profile, enhancing both aesthetics and efficiency. Inside, the Wagon-r has seen significant updates. The cabin is now more spacious, thanks to a reconfigured layout and improved ergonomics. High-quality materials and a new dashboard design enhance the overall feel. The 2025 model comes with a state-of-the-art infotainment system, featuring a 7-inch touchscreen display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. Additionally, the car now includes a digital instrument cluster and a more advanced climate control system. Under the hood, the 2025 Wagon-r offers a choice of engines. The base model comes with a 1.0-liter 3-cylinder engine, producing around 67 horsepower. For those looking for a bit more power, there's an option for a 1.2-liter 4-cylinder engine with 83 horsepower. Both engines are paired with a smooth 5-speed manual transmission or a CVT for more effortless driving. Fuel efficiency remains one of the Wagon-r's strong points, with the new model achieving around 20 to 22 km/h, depending on the engine and transmission combination. Suzuki has enhanced the safety suite of the Wagon-r, including features such as advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, rear parking sensors and a rear view camera. The Wagon-r continues to excel in practicality. It offers ample headroom and legroom for its class, making it a comfortable choice for city driving and longer journeys. The cargo space has also been optimized, offering flexibility for various storage needs. The 2025 Suzuki Wagon-r is expected to hit showrooms in early 2025. Pricing will vary depending on the trim and optional features, but the base model is anticipated to start around 15,000. The 2025 Suzuki Wagon-r maintains its reputation as a versatile, practical, and economical car. With its updated design, enhanced technology, and improved safety features, it's set to be a strong contender in the compact car segment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates and reviews. If you have any questions about the 2025 Wagon-r, drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video.